Hi everyone, I'm back after a very long time. So now onwards, I'll be making up the videos regularly, and every day or every alternate day, I'll be posting the job updates. And now onwards, I'll make the videos for each and every branch because many different branch people like civil, electrical, electronics, or even computer science people, they are approaching me upon my WhatsApp that please make videos for those respective branches as well. So I'll be making up the mixed videos and I'll be covering all the branches for the job updates whichever I encounter. So now this one is in the company named as Visible Alpha. So this company is a Indian company only, and they have been like I guess 6 years. It's been 6 years last they opened up, and they are backed up with good investors like HSBC and Goldman Sachs, etc. So this was about the company. So now coming to the job update. This hiring is for the post of test engineer. So probably a testing role, and it's based out in Mumbai. You will be based out at Mumbai, and experience required is 0 to 1 years. So freshers are definitely eligible, and you can have even up to 12 months of experience. Even then you can apply if you are working for some small startup at or working as an intern at some organization, then definitely you can apply, right? So now coming for the JD, but before that you can see that they have clearly mentioned 2020 or 2021 passed out. So people who are having career gap also, like they have been passed out in 2020 or 2021, they both are also eligible. So probably this video will benefit to many people who are having career gap. Probably they might have taken career gap for some preparation or something. So now if they want a job, they want to get into corporate, then it's a good opportunity for them as well. So you can apply. So now you should be a graduate with engineering or MCA, and they have mentioned computer science slash engineering, right? So this means that all the branches are eligible, be it mechanical, be it civil, or be it chemical as well if they want to get into IT, right? So they are also eligible. So now if you want to switch, then you can definitely apply, right? So now the skills which they have mentioned are you should be familiar with OOPS concepts, right? And you should be able to code in Python. So now there might be many people who don't have, any knowledge of coding or something. So now trust me, it will take just 2 to 3 days. Just 2 to 3 days in order to get familiar with the OOPS concepts, right? So in order to learn you OOPS concept, you can take the help of YouTube. You can just randomly search it and you can learn that, right? And they have written you should be able to code in Python. So there are multiple videos on YouTube which can teach you the basics of Python. So now as it's a testing role only and it's entry level role, so they won't be expecting anything, any hardcore coding from you. So no need to worry, just basic things you should know, like all the basic things like what is inheritance, what is data abstraction, what is a friend function, all those basic things you should know. What are loops, then how many types of loops are there, what is the significance of break, continue, all those basic things you should be familiar with. And trust me, just 2 to 3 days are required, right? So no need to be afraid for this. Now next is they have written that you should have sound concepts of manual and automation testing. So now many people who are freshers won't be having this. So no need to think about it. Just learn OOPS and Python. Just these things. No need to worry about it, right? And knowledge of agile methodology, if you are having, that's a good point. If you don't have, no need to worry, right? Exposure to RDBMS means relational database management system. So if you know SQL, basics of SQL, right? That's enough, more than enough. And in order to learn SQL, just 1 to 2 days. Trust me, and I have also done this in 1 to 2 days only. So definitely you can also make it out. Down here they have mentioned that freshers or relevant experience in testing or development should be able to write functional or regression and automation. Wait, I'm not able to zoom out. So basically they are just talking about the framework. So if you have knowledge of any of the frameworks, that's a plus point for you, right? And good English communication skills is a must for any corporate job. So now responsibilities they have mentioned: develop comprehensive QA function for visible alpha software solutions, then test visible, that's what I was speaking about, it's just a testing role. Be agile tester, so agile testing also you will be doing, right? And probably they'll be training you for 1 to 2 months. They haven't mentioned it somewhere, but although companies which hire freshers, which welcome the freshers, they deploy you in testing phase only for 2 to 3 months. So no need to worry much about it. So you should be a team player, so please mention these things in your resume in order to get a shortlist, right? So this was about the job description, and now how to apply. So just scroll down and there's the option apply for this position. So click on this. Then it's a very short application process. So you just need to mention your name, last name, email ID, phone number, and your resume. But please be careful that please add the keywords like the oops concepts, right? These things I'm mentioning it here. Then Python, right? So these things are a must. Then you are a team player. And apart from all these three things, one thing which is a must is that you should have good communication skills. So I'm not saying that you should have, but you should mention this, right? And probably maximum engineers have good communication skills only, so no need to worry about it. But please mention it in your resume so that you can get a shortlist, because HRs would be judging you based on these things only. They don't know that what kind of projects you have done, right? uh, what kind of internships you have done. They just know that the relevant skill sets which have been given to them in their checklist are present in your resume or not. So they'll be checking only those things. So please apply for this, and it's a good opportunity if you are looking for a switch, or if you are under a career gap. So good opportunity to start, right? So all the best for this, and if someone converts it or gets the job successfully, then please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to hear about it. And if you want further such job updates, then do subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button as well. So thank you.